What if I told you that the device currently sitting in your pocket is about to become a relic of the past? 4 years, we've seen incremental updates, a slightly better camera here, a slightly faster chip there. But in 2026, the game hasn't just changed, the board has been flipped upside down. We are standing at the edge of the biggest leap in smartphone history. This isn't just another iPhone. This is the iPhone 18 Pro Max. And today, I'm going to show you why this is the first time in a decade that Pro Max actually means what it says. Imagine a screen so pure, so uninterrupted, that the hardware itself seems to vanish. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. For the first time, the dream of an all-screen iPhone is becoming a reality. The dynamic island, which we've lived with for years, has finally evolved. By pushing the FaceID sensors beneath the display, Apple has achieved a look that feels like it's from the year 2030. But the real magic isn't just in what you see, it's in what's happening under the hood. We are talking about the A19 Pro chip. This is the world's first 2-nanometer processor. To the average person, that's just a number. To the tech enthusiast, it's the holy grail. It means more power with 30% less battery drain. It means a device that doesn't just run apps, but predicts your next move. If you think your current phone is fast, you aren't prepared for what happens when Apple Intelligence meets 2-nanometer silicon. But before we dive into the raw power, let's talk about the lens. For years, professional photographers have looked down on smartphones because of one thing, a fixed aperture. You were stuck with whatever light the lens decided to let in. Not anymore. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to introduce a mechanical variable aperture. This is a DSLR killer moment. It means for the first time, your iPhone can physically adjust its lens to control depth of field and light, just like a high-end Sony or Canon camera. Why does this matter to you? Because it means your night shots will no longer look like AI-enhanced paintings. They will look real. Your portraits will have a natural blur that software simply cannot replicate. We are moving away from computational photography and moving back to real photography, powered by insane hardware. And when you combine that with a 48-megapixel periscope telephoto lens that can now reach further than ever before, you realize that the gap between a smartphone and a professional camera has finally closed. Now, let's talk about the one thing we all care about, battery life. We've all been there. It's 6 p.m., you're out with friends, and your phone is at 12%. It's a source of anxiety we've just accepted as part of modern life. But the iPhone 18 Pro Max is set to shatter that. Thanks to the efficiency of that 2nm A19 Pro chip and a new silicon carbon battery technology, we are looking at the first 2-day iPhone. Imagine leaving your charger at home for a weekend trip and not even checking your battery percentage. This is the level of freedom Apple is promising. But there's a secret feature that no one is talking about. It's called Apple Intelligence 2.0. We saw the beginnings of AI in previous years, but in 2026, it's no longer a gimmick. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is designed to be your digital twin. It doesn't just summarize your emails, it understands your context. It knows that when you say, "Send that file to John," you mean the John you were just texting about the project.